Hey there, super smart kids. Welcome to Smiley Smart Kids, the most fun and exciting quiz channel just for you. Do you love brain-teasing quizzes, fun riddles, and awesome challenges? Then you're in the right place. But wait! Before we start our quiz adventure, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss a fun quiz. Give this video a big thumbs up if you love quizzes. And don't forget to share this with your friends so they can play too. Are you ready to test your brain power? Let's jump into today's quiz. Why should you wash your hands before eating? To make them wet. To remove dirt and germs. To feel cool. The correct answer is to remove dirt and germs. What should you do if you make a mistake? Ignore it. Blame someone else. Learn from it and try again. The correct answer is learn from it and try again. What is the polite thing to say when someone gives you a gift? Nothing. Give me more. Thank you. The correct answer is thank you. Why is it important to brush your teeth every day? To keep them clean and healthy. To make them yellow, so they can grow faster. The correct answer is to keep them clean and healthy. What should you do when someone is talking? Listen carefully. Interrupt them. Talk louder than them. The correct answer is listen carefully. What should you do if you see someone being bullied? Ignore it. Laugh at them. Tell a trusted adult. The correct answer is tell a trusted adult. How can you show kindness to a friend? Share and help them. Ignore them. Take their toys. The correct answer is share and help them. What is the best way to cross the street safely? Run fast. Look both ways and use a crosswalk. Cross without looking. The correct answer is look both ways and use a crosswalk. What should you do before going to bed? Eat a lot of candy. Watch TV all night. Brush your teeth and get enough sleep. The correct answer is brush your teeth and get enough sleep. Why is teamwork important? It helps us work together and solve problems. It's not important. It makes work harder. The correct answer is it helps us work together and solve problems. What should you do if you drop trash outside? Leave it there. Pick it up and throw it in a bin. Hide it. The correct answer is pick it up and throw it in a bin. What do you do when someone is sad? Laugh at them. Ignore them. Comfort and help them. The correct answer is comfort and help them. Why is eating fruits and vegetables important? They taste bad. They make us strong and healthy. They are only for adults. The correct answer is they make us strong and healthy. What should you do if a stranger asks you to go somewhere with them? Say yes. Go without telling anyone. Say no and tell an adult. The correct answer is say no and tell an adult.